Everyone seems to be inquiring about the process of converting your Amazon FBA listings into Amazon FBM listings. In this video, I'll be performing a live step-by-step demonstration of exactly how this can be achieved. Let me enable you to visualize the process by walking you through it step by step, and I'll demonstrate each stage in detail so you can apply this to your own Amazon FBA business. The process is extremely straightforward, so let's dive in. First, you need to log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Then you will navigate to Manage Inventory, where you will find your product that is currently being sold as FBA and needs to be changed to FBM. Now, if you have a standalone product listing, then you can simply navigate to the right hand side of your product in Manage Inventory to where you can see the 3 dots. Now, you need to click these 3 dots, then click the option Change to Fulfilled by Merchant. And now it will take you to the page where you can complete this action. Now simply click Done at the bottom right. Now you will be taken back to Manage Inventory and your listing will still be currently listed as FBA. However, I would suggest checking back in around 30 minutes, sometimes less and sometimes more. But after some time, if you check your listing and navigate to where you can see how much inventory you have, the number will have changed from a clickable option to a text box. This is how you can confirm that your listing has now been successfully converted into FBM, as the text box allows you to manually input the amount of inventory that you want to sell via FBM, because with FBM you will be handling the shipping yourself, meaning that you need to manually update your inventory levels here, as Amazon cannot track this internally, seeing as they will not be handling your stock. Unlike FBA, where Amazon stores your stock for you, so your inventory levels are automatically accounted for. Additionally, if you are looking to convert multiple standalone product listings to FBM at the same time, then I will demonstrate how you can do this now. From Manage Inventory, tick the box on the left hand side of each product that you want to convert from FBA to FBM. Once all the boxes have been ticked next to the multiple products that you want to convert from FBA to FBM at the same time, you will then see at the bottom middle of your screen a bar has appeared. You now need to press Select Group Action and then select Change to Fulfilled by Merchant. This will now take you to the same page that the standalone product took you to. However, now you will see the multiple products on this page at the same time that you have selected. But again, you now need to click Done at the bottom right of your screen. And again, you will now be taken back to Manage Inventory, where again, you now need to wait around 30 minutes, which may be slightly more or less than this time frame. But now this time, you are looking to see that all of your products that you have selected have all been successfully converted to FBM. In order to do this again, navigate to where you can see how much inventory you have, but this time complete this action for each product that you converted. This time the number will have changed from a clickable option to a text box on all of the products that you selected to be converted to FBM. This is how you can confirm that all of your listings have now been successfully converted into FBM. As I previously stated, the text box allows you to manually input the amount of inventory that you want to sell via FBM, because with FBM you will be handling the shipping yourself, meaning that you need to manually update your inventory levels here, as Amazon cannot track this internally, seeing as they will not be handling your stock. Unlike FBA, where Amazon stores your stock for you, so your inventory levels are automatically accounted for. I appreciate your patience and dedication throughout this entire video. At this point, you should have a clearer comprehension of how to sell on Amazon FBA as a beginner. Our goal here at Freedom Pass is to provide services that meet the needs of everyone. Beginners are known to require the most assistance, especially at the start. Our objective is to demonstrate that it is feasible to become a successful Amazon FBA seller, even with no prior knowledge and without any previous experience selling on Amazon. It's understandable that starting this may appear to be a daunting task, as you are in the right place and you have nothing to fear. At Freedom Pass, we are a family and we consider all of our students to be part of this family. Our mission is for every individual who joins the Freedom Pass movement to achieve success. To receive our family support for your Amazon journey, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel for additional useful Amazon FBA content similar to this. It helps the channel more than you know. Additionally, visit myfreedompass.com and register for the Freedom Pass family group immediately. This is a free to join group where you can connect with others who are also on the same path as you. Throughout your entire journey, you can exchange your experiences with one another and also with our team. We are here to support one another in achieving growth and success, which is the core of what we consider to be a family. I hope you found this information useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.